We've talked a little bit about the sales team and how some of the training has impacted them, how it's impacted your overall performance. Talk to me a little bit about the leadership team and how you've seen the FPG training really impact your culture.
Well, from a leadership perspective, there's been, complementary tools that we can use for coaching our team and handling the objectives and the goals, and whether it be something as simple as rewarding the journey and the effort on the process as opposed to the result itself. It's made great strides to our leadership. And one of the things I like about it the most is the language it provides. We all speak the same language and everyone gets it. It's given us a platform under which we can speak, not the FPG language. We've kind of found a way to make it our own, which I believe is probably the intent and the beauty of the program. It's given us our own language, that works for us.